We're on it, people. There you go. We're on it. E03 error on washing machine. Blocked. So we're having to, I reckon dog hairs and that having filters all blocked in there, so we'll have a look. You might see something go megally wrong in a bit. You know what I mean? It is what it is, isn't it? A pair of big nose pliers. Let me just check this washing machine up. Oh yeah, fucker. It's looking like near there. Sorry about the noise. That'd be tea in that. That stopped. Yeah, schnabel. And I've got to try and get this out some fucking hell. Somehow, there should be a filter in here. So it says on fucking Google. It should pull out. Right, loads of people have said that, we should have pulled out. Fucking hell. Oh, look at that, people. Look up money in there. You know, 50, 60, 70, £1.70. £1. Legit, this people. £1, 50, 60, 75, £1.70 fucking 7p. Airgun pellets. Fucking none of it blow. Look at that, look at that. Get more money here, look. Fucking hell. Another 50 pence a piece. A 20 pence a piece. A 2 pence a piece. Any more money? Oh, another 20 pence fucking piece. A fucking hell. A fucking tips out and fucking a backer thing. See, that's why it fucking blocked up, people. See if it's witnessed that. Fucking airgun pellets and lot. Buy a pint of milk with that fucking money when I was found. Oh, look, fucking hell. Another two more pounds. You know, anymore. Like a fucking wishing well. Fucking hell. Did you fucking see that? Eh? I'll count to how much I've got in a minute. Enough fucking hell. Fucking unbelievable. Let me just clean this fucking filter out. Do some fucking knee pads. Yeah, look. I'll make some knee pads out of my fucking Adidas fucking flip-floppers, look. There you go. Fucking money in there. Fucking hellfire. Like a fucking machine man, this bastard, anymore. Fucking alright. So we've washed that filter, people. I'm gonna become a fucking plumber, can you see me? I do some stupid fucking mad shit blogs, me, but yeah, if anybody knows it, if it ever comes up on your fucking washing machine, why am I whispering? On your washing machine. I know I'm just running washing machine. Every 3. And it's blocked up, this is what you do. Just making a blog and come out. So we'll crack that back in there. And tighten that locker up. Where's them big nose pliers? Fucking dog's dish. What money won't in that bastard? Then we'll just nip that up. Get out a wipe. And we'll shut it fucking mouth. And then I'm gonna wash my hands and just grab camera. Does you want money just come out that washer then? Fucking. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 60, 75, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. Fucking hell. There you go. And I've had to put fucking washer on bricks, look. Like we're nicking a car's wheels. But yeah, I'm gonna bring it back up. I'm gonna bring the washer back up and that. These long nose pliers are, yeah. I can't believe that. 1, 2, 3, fucking, that fucking epic. But I'm gonna take it off at brakes and fire it up and see if it works, innit? I'll be back in a minute. But I don't know why I'm whispering.